Standard 8 Maths Chapter 10 Division of Polynomials Practice Set 10.2 First question, divide and write the quotient and the remainder. So, see, this is your dividend and this is your divisor. So, this you have to write inside and this here. Now, let's see how to solve them. Take this divisor over here, y plus 4, and then see what is the first. This is you have to get y raised to square. आपका जो ये फर्स्ट है ना डिविडेंड, ये कट होना चाहिए. सो ऐसा कुछ चाहिए मल्टीप्लिकेशन so that this should be get cut. So here we have y. So we need one more y. Y into y become y square. Okay. And then y into 4 becomes 4y. And plus into plus, plus. So that means when we multiply this term by y, we get y square plus 4y. Okay, and then minus into plus, minus into plus, minus. So plus minus. This is positive, this is negative. Cancel. Plus minus minus. 10 minus 4, 6. And greater number is 10, that is positive. So positive. Then this we will copy down in denominator. Now again take your this divisor and now first you need 6y. Okay, so here you have y, you need 6. 6 into y, 6y. आपको क्या करना है, ये डिवाइजर को कॉपी करना है और जो भी फर्स्ट डिविडेंड का होगा जो हमको चाहिए वो यहाँ पे लिख लेना है. अब ट्रिक क्या है, इसके साथ कंपेयर करना है इसको. यहाँ पे y है बट वी नीड 6y, हमको 6y चाहिए यानी 6 नहीं था. सो वी विल टेक 6. सो 6 into y, 6y, 6 4s are 24 and plus into plus, plus. So that means when we multiply by 6, positive 6, we get 6y plus 24. And minus into plus, minus into plus, minus. So cancel, it becomes 0. So, that means now you have to write remainder and quotient. Your remainder is 0 and your quotient is y plus 6. Y plus 6. Second sums. Okay, p square plus 7p minus 5. So this is a divisor. Copy down this divisor over here and see what is your first dividend. You have p raised to 2 means p square. So that means इसको देखो and just check how much you need. You need one more p. You have one and one more you need. P into P, P square. And P into 3, 3P. You are positive, you are also positive. So, when you multiply this term by P, you get P square plus 3P. Now, minus into plus, minus into plus, minus. So, now this get cancelled and plus minus minus. 7 minus 3 becomes 4. So this is 4p and 7 is positive. Now this you will copy as it is. Now again copy this divisor over here and then this dividends first. You need 4p and you have only p. That means 4 is missing. So 4 into p, 4p, 4 3s are 12, plus into plus, plus. So now positive 4 when we get 4p plus 12. So यहाँ माइनस लेंगे एंड देन माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस, माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस. सो ये पॉजिटिव ये नेगेटिव ये कैंसिल हो गया. माइनस एंड माइनस बिकम्स प्लस. सो 12 plus 5 becomes 17. And since greater number 12 is now negative, you get negative 17. So this is your remainder. Question and remainder. This is your remainder. And your question is 5 plus 4. This is your question. Third question. So now if you see, look at this question carefully. It is not organized. It is not in ascending order. So first we have to make this term in order. The highest indices is 4x raised to 3. Then 3 के बाद 2 आता है. So 2x raised to square. And then single 3x raised to 1. और इसके बाद जो टर्म आता है एक, that term is not there, so you have to take 0. Now copy this question over here. 4x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 0, and here divisor x minus 4. So now this x minus 4 you take here and try to find out first digit what you need, 4x cube. So x cube चाहिए, so we will need x square and then 4 also, so 4. See 4 into 1 4, हमारे पास 4 नहीं था तो 4 लिया. 4 into 1 4, x square into x, x cube. Now 4 4s are 16, x square, and plus into minus minus. So that means when we divide by 4x square, we get 4x cube and minus 16x square, minus 16x square. So when you subtract, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. So positive and negative cross, plus and plus becomes positive. 16 plus 2, 18. 18x square. Now further you just have to copy down below. Now again copy down this, and here your first term is 18x square. So you have single x, take one more x. x into x, x square. एक x है आपके पास, आपने एक और लिया. So x into x, x square. फिर we need 18. So 18 ones are 18. Now 18 fours are 4 is 32. 3 4 ones are 4, 5 6 7. 72x plus into minus minus. So you get positive 18x square is equals to 18x square minus 72x. Minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. So this will get cancelled, and here you have 75. Since now 72 has new sign plus, so it is 75x square. Sorry, 75x. This 0 will come down. Now again take your x minus 4 into, now you need 75x. X is already there, so take 75. 75 ones are 75x. And now 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 7s are 28, 29, 30. And plus into minus, minus. So, by multiplying 75, you get 75x minus 300. So, subtraction, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. So, this will get cancelled and here you will get 300. So, this is your remainder 300 and your question is 4x square plus 18x plus 75. This is your question. Fourth sums. Okay, now see, take this divisor over here and your first dividend is 2m raised to cube. So, you need 2m, you have 2m, so more 2m you need. आपको 2m और चाहिए. So, m square into m is n cube, 1 2s are 2. And when you multiply this, it will be n square. ये m square 1 से multiply होगा, same आएगा. So, minus into plus, minus. So, that means this term multiplied by m square, you get 2m cube minus m square. So, this division wala minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So, this get cancelled and plus plus 1 and 1, 2. So, you get 2m square and others will follow down. Now, again take your divisor and now you need 2m square. So, you have 2m, only m is left. So, m into m square, 2 1s are 2, plus into minus, minus, m. Okay, so positive m multiply, you get 2m square minus m. So minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So this will get cancelled, positive and positive, 1 and 1, 2, 2m plus 9. So now you need 2m. You already have 2m. That means you have to multiply by 1. 1 1s are 1. 1 into 2m, 2m. Plus into minus, minus. So, plus 1 and you get 2m minus 1. Minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So, this 0 and positive positive becomes 10. 9 plus 1, 10. So, your remainder and question. Remainder is 0 and question is m square plus m plus 1. Your answer is remainder 10 and question n square plus m plus 1. Fifth sums. Okay, now if you see the question carefully, these terms are not arranged in correct order. So we have to arrange them in descending order. See, the fourth power first, then third power, then square, then 1 and then the natural number. So, after arranging, see this divisor is also not in correct order. So, we have to make that also in correct order. Now, x cube plus 2 multiply by, see now the first we need x4. We already have square, so only square left. It becomes x4. then 2x square plus into plus. So that means जब आप इसको x square से you get x4 plus 2x square. So sorry, here you have to write plus 2x square. Now minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. So this will get cancelled and minus minus plus. 3 plus 2, 5. 5x square. So this cube will come in bottom x square. We'll take it down in bottom. And here, since the greater number was minus, so we will take minus. Now further, let's write. Now again divisor x square plus 2. Now we need x cube. So only x will we need. See, x into square x cube, x into 2 2x, plus into plus plus. So plus 2x, sorry, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. So this get cancelled, this will be as it is, we will copy down. Plus into minus minus, 3 minus 2, 1. Greater number is 3, it is positive, and minus 12. Now further, now what is your first term? Minus 5x square. So x square you already have. You do not have 5. So you will take 5 into 1, 5 x square. But here you also need negative. So you have to take minus. So minus into plus minus, 5x square. And then minus into plus minus, 5 2s are 10. So minus 5 and then minus 5x square and minus 10. Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. So ये minus और ये plus, opposite sign. This x will be as it is, minus plus minus, 10 minus, sorry, 12 minus 10, 2. Greater number is negative, minus 2. So your remainder is x minus 2 and your question is x square plus x minus 5. Sixth sums. Now let's see this divisor and first dividend, first term we need a raised to 4. So in divisor already we have a cube. So only single a we need. So a cube into a become a4 and plus into minus minus and 2 into a 2a. So that means when we multiply by a, we get a raised to 4 minus single, no? So 2a. Then this minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. So this become 0 and here it will be as it is, we will copy down. This also we will as it is copy down. Here minus plus minus, 2 minus 1, 1. So a, but now 2a had becomes positive. So it is greater number sign, positive, and then plus 1. So again we will see. Now first term we need minus a cube. Okay. So a cube we already have. We will take 1. but we need minus, so we will take negative. So minus into plus minus, 1 into a cube. Then minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2. So minus 1 and here so minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus. So this becomes 0. It will be as it is, copy down, plus into minus minus. So 2 minus 1, 1. Now 2 has sign minus and it is greater number, so minus. Now see, further we cannot divide because here dividend is a square and divisor you have a cube. A cube is greater than a square. ये बड़ा है इससे तो आगे डिवाइड नहीं होगा. So this is your remainder. So your remainder is a square plus a minus 1. And question is a plus 1. Seventh sums. Now let's see how to do. See, we can do these sums in different form also. As we need this 4x raised to 4 and first term of this 4x. So when we cancel this 4 get cancel 1x and from here 1. So we are left with x cube. So that means if you multiply this x cube into this 1 into 4, 4, x cube into x, x4, minus into plus, minus, and x cube, minus x cube. So minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus into minus, plus. So here this get 0 and minus plus minus. 5 minus 1, 4 x cube. And then see this 0x square is not there in question. I have written so that it should be in ascending form. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now further, now see, now what we need? 4x cube divided by 4x. 4 and 4 get cancelled, x also get cancelled and here remains x square. So here, now see, this was minus 5 and this was plus. Minus plus minus, greater number is negative. So here we have negative minus x square. So minus into plus minus, 1 4s are 4, x square into x, x cube. Now minus into minus plus, 1 1s are 1, x square. Division का minus, minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus. So this will become 0, minus plus minus minus. So 1 minus 0, 1. We do not show 1. X square, but now this it has negative sign. And then minus 7x plus 1. So now you have minus x square upon 4x. So x and x, this get cancelled. So you are left with minus x upon 4. So you will take minus x upon 4. So now you have to multiply this minus x upon 4 into this term. So let's see, minus x upon 4 multiply by 4x minus 1. X into x, x square, माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस. ये डिनोमिनेटर में ना, तो ये 4 एंड ये 4 कैंसल हो जाएगा. सो यू आर लेफ्ट विथ दिस. देन माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस एक्स वन ज़ा एक्स, और ये जो 4 था जो इसके लिए आएगा. सो यू गेट दिस. So here you have to write x square and this plus x upon 4. Minus into minus plus, minus into plus, minus. This will be, we have to add these two sums. So minus 7x and minus x upon 4. So minus minus plus. So here there is nothing, so that means 1. 7 4s are 28. 1 into x, x. 1 4s are 4. Now 28x minus, and this minus minus plus. So 28 plus 1, 29. So this is your number. That means here you get negative 29x upon 4. And this plus 1 will come here. Now this term you have to divide by this 4x. So that means minus 29x upon 4 divided by 4x. So minus 29x upon 4 will do reciprocal. So x and x get cancelled. 29 ones are 29, minus into plus minus, 4 4s are 16. So this is our question. So we will write question 29 upon 16. So 29 upon 16 को जब हम 4x minus 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, so what we will get? Now 29 upon 16 multiply by 4x. So 4 ones are 4, 4 4s are 16. So you get minus 29 upon x upon 4. And then okay, and there was this 1. So we have to multiply this. So the whole number multiplied by 1 is the same number, only minus into minus becomes plus. So plus 29 upon 16. So now this will become 0. Now this 29, this becomes 0, and here minus into plus minus. So plus minus minus. So that means we have to do separate minus 29 upon 16 plus 1. So minus into plus minus. So we have to do subtraction. So let's see. 29 ones are 29. 16 ones are 16 upon 16. So minus plus minus. 29 minus 16 becomes 13 upon 16, negative number. So here your answer is 13 upon 16. So this is your remainder and this is your question. Okay. So remainder and question. So remainder is minus 13 upon 16 and question is x cube minus x square minus x by 4 minus 29 upon 16.